Hey guys, Gavin from Main GBMX here, and these are Aydens bikes. Looking to get a new bike or fix one of these with selling the other one or something later soon. But for the first bike, we got this Ozone 20, I guess what it's called, Ozone 500. Really short bars.
I really have no idea. I mean, I got it for free.
You got it for free, but it was like almost new, I guess. And then he's got this Modes 270 Mongoose.
Super heavy.
Which is really heavy. Don't get one of these unless you plan on like getting new wheels and
no bars and
yeah, it's
pedals.
just completely really heavy. And yeah, it's a real quick bike check for you guys. And see you guys later.